Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's videos are all about fall harvest and in the colors that I'm representing in this DIY number 1. And for this I'm going to take two of these colors. One is this beautiful blue and mossy green, and I'm going to mix those together to get like nice beautiful color. And I'm actually filling this, I think it's a sea green color, I believe, and I just love this tone, and I just painted one of this white pumpkin into that color. And I'm also taking one of this white marker from Dollar Tree, and I'm just drawing the pumpkin lines to add the dimension to the pumpkin painting. And I'm also painting all the letters away with white chalk paint. While the paint is drying, let's work on the handle. I got one of this square beaded garland from Dollar Tree, and I separated them with a tape on a skewer, and I'm painting with the antique wax, and I let it dry. While that is drying, let's work on this galvanized letters which says harvest on it. And I'm just painting this with a black chalk paint all over the letters, and I'm going to let it dry. Now my pumpkin sign is dried and ready to be decorated, and the harvest letters are also dried. Now I'm using hot glue. I'm just sticking this harvest letters on top of the painter surface. Now I'm taking one of this cute pumpkin from Dollar Tree, and I painted with the same blue paint, and I let it dry. While that is drying, let's decorate the garland. I just alternated this garland with the plain one and the brown one, and I took the center part of it, and I took one of this beautiful orange fall leaf, and I'm just sticking it with hot glue just like so. And that beautiful tiny pumpkin is also dried and ready to be decorated, and just took one of that and I attached that in the center to finish the look. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at that beautiful sign. It already had like a beautiful colors and nice leaves, and I just love the combination of those two, and I just tried to match the leaf and the tiny pumpkin together, and I'm very happy about this sign. I hope you will also like it. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts. Video would be part of Hello Harvest playlist. This is hosted by Tammie over the Rusted Willow and Ellie over DIY from House to Home, and myself being the guest host. And I feel extremely honored to be along with these two creative ladies. I'm going to link the YouTube channels of these two ladies in my description box, as well as the playlist. Please watch everyone's video and give lots of love. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to take two of these ice cream cups. They're from Dollar Tree and they come 4 in a pack, and I'm taking two of these cups and I'm going to create a pumpkin by inverting them and attaching them. So I'm going to take this beautiful blue multi-surface paint and mossy green chalk paint, and I'm going to mix these two colors, and I'm actually trying to get the color with one of the pumpkin napkins that I got from Dollar Tree. Now I'm generously applying the paint all over these cups, and I'm going to let it dry. After it is dried, I'm actually distressing the ridges of this cup with white chalk paint, and this is also giving like a nice white wax effect, and I just loved the end result. You're going to see how it turned out. See how gorgeous this turned out after the dry brushing of the white chalk paint. Now I'm going to stick these two together just like so. I'm taking like a generous amount of hot glue all around the mouth of the ice cream cup, and I'm going to attach on top of each other just like that. And I took one of this wooden block and I'm just attaching it with a dab of a hot glue just like that. Now I have to decorate this. I took like one of this tiny white pumpkin. They're so gorgeous. I just love that beautiful color, and I just twisted one of the pumpkin around the wooden piece, and I'm just taking one of the fall leaf, and I'm also going to create like a twiner, and this is one of the berry garland, and I just took one of it and stuck in one side of it and some greenery, and one of the tail of the ribbon in one side, and some of the greeneries, fall greeneries all around, and this turned out gorgeous. Don't you agree with me? I am just loving the end result of it. I just love how the white wax effect gave that beautiful texture and then dimension to this pumpkin. I'm just loving this. I think this is one of my favorites today. Yeah, you have to let me know your thoughts as well. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this, I'm going to repurpose one of this cardboard box, and I'm going to create like a harvest box. So I'm just sticking the flaps of this box inside by using dab of a hot glue. This gives like a sturdiness to the box. Now I'm going to take some of this flat popsicle sticks. I think I got from Walmart, I believe. I don't remember. It was lying in my stash. So I'm going to attach all those things using dab of a hot glue just like that. Now I'm also taking this white chalk paint and I'm painting all over the box, and I let it dry. After dried, it looks so gorgeous. Now I'm going to attach this very famous pumpkin printed napkin. This is so beautiful. I thought like I have to incorporate this in any of the projects. So this is the same blue I'm actually going through in all the projects today. So now I'm taking a little bit of the Mod Podge and I'm just spreading it all over it with the paintbrush, and I attached the napkin, and I just continued the whole design carefully all around the box, and I let it dry. While that is drying, I got some of these picks. One of them is pumpkin, other one is acorn. I'm painting the same paint on this pumpkin, and I let it dry. And same with the acorn. I'm just taking one of this and I'm painting with this blue paint, and I also decorated with brown antique wax on top of it, and the same with this cute pumpkin clip. I painted all around it and I let it dry. While those are drying, let's decorate this box. I just stuffed some of this styrofoam that came in packaging. Now I'm going to cover this with this Spanish moss. I'm just taking the whole pack out of it, and I'm going to generously spread all over the box to give like a nice farmhouse style look there. And I'm taking all of this fall greeneries and florals and fruits and pumpkins. Now I'm going to decorate all of this, and I'll be back showing the beautiful decorated harvest box. Here it is with all the beautiful pumpkins, all colors. Now I'm going to attach this bow, and I'm going to use one of the used floral stem, and I just bent all those stems, and I attached with the hot glue onto the back of the bow just like that. And I'm going to stick it in this same harvest box. Look how gorgeous this turned out, and this print is so beautiful. I am just loving the whole print of this box, and lovely fall harvest on top of it. And this is my next favorite, and you have to let me know what your thoughts as well. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this, I'm going to repurpose one of this stainless steel soap dispenser. The pump broke, so I wanted to convert this into a cute vase. So I painted with a white chalk paint. After it dried, I'm just decoupaging the pieces of pumpkin all around it. And after it's dried, it turned out so gorgeous. Now I'm taking one of this fall pick, and I'm just removing one of those bright flowers, and I'm attaching some of this cute flowers that goes with the color scheme. And this is how this cute, simple, easy vase turned out, and I'm so happy how this turned out. I didn't want to do the paint like perfectly. I wanted to look like a nice distressed look, so I left some places just like that. and it turned out gorgeous. So yeah, this is another pumpkin print DIY today, and I'm also very happy with this, so you have to let me know your thoughts as well. Let's move on to DIY number 5. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this painted board that I use for another project. And I'm also taking some of this window clings that I got from Dollar Tree last year. And I'm going to attach this using Mod Podge. I took few drops of Mod Podge, smeared it all around, and I'm taking this beautiful decal which says welcome home, and I just attached it in one side, and I also attached one of this cute orange pumpkin which had like nice dimension to it. Attached some of this fall leaves also, and I'm taking this cute orange ribbon and removed the corners, and I just cut it into 4 strips, and I'm again doing the same thing here. I'm cutting this pumpkin printed ribbon, cutting into 2 strips, and I'm overlapping all together to create like a messy bow. And I created a messy bow. The corners of this ribbon, I just used that to twist the bow, and I'm going to take a little bit of a hot glue and attaching that to the handle of this beautiful sign, just like that, and stuck with one of this fall fuzzy ball and 2 of this fall leaves on either side to finish the look. I'm going to show the final reveal. It's so gorgeous. Look at how beautiful the pumpkins and the leaves and the bow. Isn't this gorgeous? So yeah, this is another cute one I wanted to share with y'all today. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 6, and this is a hack as always in the last, and this is one of the cute sign that I got from Dollar Tree last year, and it has got those beautiful pumpkin colors that I'm actually going with this today, so I wanted to incorporate this as well. And this would be as simple. I just took one of this leather sign which says like blessed in it, and I just attached that in the center part where it had like a metallic piece, and attached with one of this cute bow from Dollar Tree, and with the flower in the center and leaves on the back of those pumpkin stalk, and some greenery everywhere. And I think I later replaced this with a cute pumpkin in the center. And look at this, how gorgeous. This is complementing all the DIYs today. The pumpkin colors and the leaves and beautiful bow with fall decor on the top, and this turned out so beautiful, and I'm very happy with the end result. So I would like to hear from you what your thoughts are. Let's move on to DIY number 7, the last one. I took one of the cup from Dollar Tree which would match the color scheme today, and I'm distressing the design on top with the white chalk paint. I dry brushed it with stencil brush, and after it is dried I'm going to pour this wax melt and create a candle. You got it. So I'm going to also decorate this cup handle of the cup with this beautiful ribbon. So I got couple of ribbons together and created a messy bow, and I'm attaching tiny pumpkin in the center and 2 leaves and some of the fall greenery and florals, and this turned out so cute and a great addition to all of this DIYs today. Look how beautiful those designs are showing up after the distress, and a cute fall leaf and the decoration on the handle with the candle in the center so you can light it up. It's got like beautiful fall themed scent in it, and that calls it done. So this is the final reveal of all my DIYs today with the harvest theme, and I'm so happy with each and every one of the DIYs today, and I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And If you have any specific favorites or any ideas and suggestions, I welcome it. Please leave in the comment section. That would help my channel grow. And if you like any of these ideas and would like to join the family, I would be more than happy if you'd click on the subscribe button and join the family. And also, please don't forget to hit on the bell icon for me to get notified when I upload videos like this. And I appreciate each and every one of you for the constant support that you've been giving towards my channel. And I'm very thankful and grateful. Thank you, and thank you so much. And I would let you enjoy the final reveal. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag on the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.